we're live. It is Wednesday again. What a week. So has this ever happened to you where you feel like no time has gone by since the last time you did something, but so much has happened? And that is how I'm feeling today. I feel like it was just Wednesday yesterday, and so much happened to me in this last week. So I got to spend 4 days at a coaching conference, and I got so many tips, so many tools, so many things that are going to allow me to grow more on my journey to being the best possible coach that I can be. And hands down, it was the best and most personal growth experience that I have ever had. And the good news for you is that all those tips and tools that I get to add those to my toolbox. Because through my coaching certification, I got all this stuff that I can share with my clients. Sorry, I still have a cold and a lot of congestion. But so I get all these tools that I can share. And if we try something and it doesn't work, all you have to do is tell me you're not comfortable with it, you're not getting results with it, and we try something new. Because health coaching is not a one size fits all. Everybody is going to have a different path that they have to take. So I now have more tools to add to my toolbox. But what I really want to share today is about how I get to play a part in revolutionizing healthcare through the power of coaching and habit change, and how I get to help people improve their health, and I get to help them empower themselves to feel alive, to make these changes that are going to ripple out into their family and possibly eradicate a lifestyle disease along the way, at least for one person who I'm helping, and hopefully it's lots that I'm helping. But one thing that really stood out to me was a speaker that we had that talked about this concept that when you have innovation in life, and a while after you've had this innovation, this new technology, you get more efficient with this, whatever was being innovated. And this works in all areas of life, that when you have innovation and efficiency, you will see a reduction. Now, an example that you might be able to relate to is your flat screen TV. You know, when flat screen TVs came out, they were new and they were kind of expensive. So maybe you bought one to put in your living room. But it didn't take long before the prices started coming down. And then you needed a bigger one for the living room. And before long, every room in the house has a flat screen TV. So you see how the innovation, and then we became more efficient with it, and then you had a reduction. So the only place that this doesn't really fit and doesn't work is healthcare. Healthcare's had innovation, there's efficiency, and there's still rising healthcare cost. And there's no sign that the costs are going to reduce. And this was really kind of an aha moment when this was all spelled out for me. And what so many people assume that being healthy means that you're symptom free. And so what we do is we have a symptom, something's bothering us, we go to the doctor, we get a prescription for it. A few months later, something else might start bothering us, so we go get another prescription. And it's not that that's not that affordable to do. You pay a copay, you pay a prescription fee, and if you have health insurance, you know, your health insurance premium could be very pricey, but that's kind of the easy way that people address thinking that they're healthy. They have removed the symptom, the feeling of the symptom. But that's not true health. You didn't get to the cause. And when you have multiple medications that you're taking, it's highly possible that those medications are going to start reacting with each other and giving you another symptom. So then you're taking another prescription, or you are getting medicines changed and having to react differently with how those are affecting your body and your system. And it's like a Farmageddon going on in your body after a while. So what a health coach and a life coach is designed to do is we help you, because this is a statistic that really stood out to me, because we want to look past the symptom, we want to look past the diagnosis, and we want to really address the cause. And you may say that that's not really possible, but how many lifestyle diseases start because of stress? And do you know how to handle the stress that you have in life? If you did, I think you would probably have already taken care of it. It's not a skill that we learn. And this is because 20%, this statistic really blows me away, makes me excited. 20% of our health is based on a predestined condition, something that you inherited from your parents, your grandparents. And 20% isn't that much. 80% of your health is based on the decisions that you are making for yourself today. Those decisions are what are going to determine what symptoms you have tomorrow and the next day. So health is not a fate. You did not wake up and this is what you're going to be stuck with. Health is a choice, and it's a skill. It's a skill that not many of us are really taught. And if you don't know how to implement those skills correctly, then you just feel like you're spinning your wheels. You're never getting ahead. And I know I have people that say, I've tried everything and nothing works for me. Well, have you tried me? Have you tried me as your coach? I hear people that say, well, I'm not going to go to the gym. I'm not going to go to the gym every day. I'm not going to give up my coffee every day. I'm not going to give up my wine. I'm not going to ask you to. I've got lots of tools, and we're going to figure out the ones that work for you. And the crazy thing is that what I see is that when clients make a change and they see success, and then they make another change and they see success, then some of those things that they just were not willing to try at all, now it becomes their idea to try it. So I'm not going to ask you to do anything that you're uncomfortable with, anything that just doesn't fit in your lifestyle, because it needs to be fun, it needs to fit, or it's not going to last. So I really hope that I can spark you to make a choice to make a change in your life. And what I start with, what all my clients start with, is a clarity session. It's absolutely no cost to you other than your time. It's 45 to 50 minutes of just getting to know what is it that you're looking for in your life. What is it that you're struggling with, that you need help with? What is that quickest thing that is going to move the needle on your health journey more to the healthy side? And I would love to have this session with you. It's something that once we get to know each other and I know what your goals are, if it's something that I don't think I'm going to be able to help you with, that I'm not going to be able to give you the result you're looking for, I'm certainly going to tell you that I'm not going to work for you. Here's another suggestion that would probably benefit you more. But having a coach, having the support, having the accountability, that might just be what you need. And like I said, clarity session is only your time, and it's done over the phone, so you can be wherever you are and I'm here, and we just talk over the phone. So reach out to me if you think you are ready to spark a change in your life and you want to book a clarity session, and we will see what your next best step is. So thanks for joining me today, and I will see you next Wednesday for another tip. Bye-bye.